Good morning everyone, my name is Azka. So here I'm to tell you about my presentation about natural phenomena, but my topic is aurora. There are so many natural phenomena that happens in the world, but the most beautiful one I think is aurora. There are three aspects that I want to tell you about, and the first one is the definition, the second one is northern and southern lights, and the third one is dancing colors. Now, how does the aurora form? Before I tell you that, you need to know that there are two types of aurora. The first one is northern lights, as known as aurora borealis, and the second one southern lights, as known as aurora australis. So, the aurora form comes from the Earth's magnetic fields that drag showers of charged particles that emitted from the sun into the atmospheres. The particles, ions, and electrons collide with nitrogen and atoms, and this collision is what makes the northern lights form. So, what the causes of aurora? There are three steps that makes aurora. The first one is the molecules hit the air in the atmospheres, and the second, the molecules are being produced, and the third one, the molecules is calm down. It means that the calm down means it's getting slower to produce, and it's produce the lights. In the about 100 kilometers, it can show the green rays or green lights, and above that, till 400 kilometers, there are purple, blue, pink colors that make aurora. So let's move on to the next aspect. This aspect is northern and southern lights. Many of you wondering what is the difference between them, right? Besides the color, I will tell you the first picture is northern lights and the second picture is southern lights. And what is the difference between them is that the colors. The difference between them is the monthly occurrence. The monthly occurrence that happen mostly for aurora australis is about 50% happen in August, and for aurora borealis mostly happen in May. The highest about aurora borealis is 32%. So let's move on the next aspect. This aspect is called dancing colors. Why people call dancing colors? So as you can see in the pictures, you can see that the aurora colors is like moving, right? So that's why people call it dancing colors. And for the next is I will explain you about the changing color state in each kilometers. So for 100 till 200, the colors that changing is purple and red. And for 200 and 500, it's the color is green and yellow. And for 500 more, it's only contains the helium and nitrogen, so there's no colors in that state. So far, I already explained to you about definition, northern and southern lights, and dancing colors. If you need further information about my presentation, you can visit this link. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.